Good morning, student. I have completed the all topics of magnetic effect of current. Today, now I am going to solve the questions from NCERT, which is based on magnetic effect of current. And student, first question, listen carefully. A circular coil of wire consisting of 100 turns, each of radius 8 centimeter, carries a current of 0.40 ampere. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil? And student, a circular coil consisting of number of turns, that is what, 100, which is given, and radius, that is what, 8 centimeter, and carrying a current, that is what, 0.40 ampere, and we have to find the magnetic field at the center of the circular coil. And student, already you know that formula of magnetic field at the center of circular current loop, that is what, B equal to mu naught by 2 I by R. If there will be n number of turns, so we multiply n times mu naught by 2 I by R. So magnetic field at the center of circular current loop, you know that formula, B equal to mu naught by what, 2 N I by R. So here mu naught, you know that mu naught by 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7, but here only mu naught, so it is written as 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, value of mu naught, 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 by 2, number of turns, that is what, 100, current, that is what, 0.40, and student, this radius 8 centimeter, so it can be written as 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. So when decimal, it can be written as, student, this decimal cancel out, this is what, this cancel out to 0.20, and 4 2 ja 8, this is cancel out, and that is what, cancel out 0.10, and student, it is written as pi into 10 to the power minus 7, and when it is written as 10, so that is what, 10, and this 0, 100 multiplied by 0.10, it comes out to be what, 10, and when it comes out to be in numerator, and it comes out to be what, that is what, plus 2, and pi, that is what, 3.14, and 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power, so it comes out to be, that is what, 7, here plus 3, so magnetic field B equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla, this is the answer. So B equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 40 answer. And question number 2, student, a long straight wire carries a current of 35 ampere. What is the magnitude of the field at a 20 centimeter from the wire? And you know that magnetic field at any point due to straight current carrying conductor, you know that formula, B equal to mu naught by 2 pi I by R. And student, question number 2, that is, we have to find a long straight wire carrying a current of 35 ampere. This is what, 35 ampere, and R, that is what, given 20 centimeter, it can be changed into what, 20 into 10 to the power what, minus 2 meter. From the, we have to find B. So magnetic field due to straight wire, straight current carrying wire, straight current carrying wire, magnetic field due to straight current carrying wire, we know that B equal to what? Mu naught by what? 2 pi, and its formula that is what? I by R, and mu naught by 2 pi, its value that is what? 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, and I that is what? 35, and student, this is what? 20 into 10 to the power minus what? 2, and 2 10 ja, that is, and 10 to the power minus 1, 10, it is written as 3 5 10 to the power minus 7, and when this 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power minus 1, when it comes to numerator, so it is written as 10, and it comes out to be that 3.5, that is 6, and that is what? Minus 5, that is what? 10 to the power minus 6, and when decimal comes to here, again there will be what? So B comes out to be that 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 T. This is the answer. And next question, student, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 from NCERT. Next, a long straight wire in horizontal plane carries a current of 50 ampere. Current that is what? 50 ampere. A long straight wire in horizontal plane carrying a current of 50 ampere in north to south direction. In north to south direction, that is north, that is here, south, that is what? Here. Current is flowing from what? North to, and here that is what? West, and here that is what? East. Current is a long straight wire in horizontal plane carrying a current of 50 ampere in north to south direction. North to south direction current is flowing, which is 50 ampere. Give the magnitude and direction of B at a point 2.5 meter east of the wire. 2.5 meter, that is what? Suppose that we have to find magnetic field at a point P, which is towards east of the, give the magnitude and direction of B at a point 2.5 meter east of the wire. And student, this is the straight current carrying conductor, means wire, and it produces a magnetic field, that is what? At a point P. So magnetic field at a point P due to straight wire carrying a current of 50 ampere, and we know the formula, that is what? Mu naught by what? 2 pi I by what? R, and its value that is what? 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, and its value that is what? 50, and R that is what? 2.5 meter or centimeter, that is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meters. So student, this comes out to be that this is 1000, 52 ja 100. This point also comes out to a 0. 1000 by 25 into 10 to the power minus 7, and that is what? 40. 25 for 40. 40 into 10 to the power minus 7, or 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. And direction. So magnetic field at point P, due to this straight wire carrying current 50 ampere at a point P, which is east direction. So what is the magnetic field at point P, that is what, at east direction, and you use the Fleming right hand thumb rule. Apply right hand thumb rule to this current carrying straight wire, and this is the direction of the current, and we have to find the magnetic field. Student, listen see carefully, and we have to find the direction of magnetic field. So magnet current flowing in this current, and magnetic field patterns lines is what? Concentric circle. So magnetic field at this point, we draw a tangent. So at this is what? Circle. This is the current carrying conductor. So what is the magnetic field patterns line? And here north, here south. North, south, and we have to find magnetic field, that is what? At east. So that is what? This is the current flowing into the straight conductor, and curling finger, suppose that at point P, if you draw a tangent on it at the point E, on the concentric circle at the point E, the direction of magnetic field, that is what? Upwards. So direction of magnetic field, that is what? Upwards. So B comes out to be 4 into 10 to the power minus 60, and its direction, that is what? Upward, that is vertically upward. Next, question number 4, student. Question number 4. A horizontal overhead power lines carry a current of 90 ampere in east to west direction. I, that is what? 90 ampere. East to west direction. East to west direction, that is, suppose that this is what? East, and this is west, this is what? South, and this is what? North, and current is flowing from what? 90 ampere, that is what? From east to west. A horizontal overhead power line carries a current of 90 ampere in east to west direction. What is the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field due to the current 1.5 meter below the wire? 1.5 meter below the wire means what? Current is flowing from what? East to west, and we have to find magnetic field. 1.5, that is what? In this position we have to find magnetic field at a distance of 1.5 below this wire. So we have to find, that is what? R, that is what? 1.5 meter. And student, this is the straight current conductor, and we have to find, this is the east to west direction. So magnetic field at this point we have to find, that is what? 1.5 meter below this overhead power lines. And you know that magnetic field due to straight conductor at any point B equal to mu naught by what? 2 pi I by R, and mu naught 2 pi, its value 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. I, that is what? 90, and R, that is what? 1.5. And student, this can be written as 20 by 15 into 90 into 10 to the power minus 7. Clear? 15 6, that is what? 90, and 0, and 6 2 12 into 10 to the power minus 7. So B comes out to be, that is what? 1.20 into 10 to the power minus 5. That is what? Tesla. Now, what is the direction? What is the direction of magnetic field? And student, see carefully this diagram. Direction of the magnetic field, the direction of the current from east to west. So thumb here will point, that is what? thumb we point the direction east to west, and due to straight current carrying conductor, magnetic field patterns lines is what? Concentric circle. And we have to find magnetic field. This is the straight conductor. This is the straight conductor, and we have to find magnetic field at this point. At this point, so that is what? It means what? Magnetic field patterns lines are concentric circle. So below this, so direction of magnetic field, draw a tangent. The magnetic field patterns line, that is what? Concentric circle, and we have to find magnetic field at this point. And if you draw a tangent, which direction it gives? So if current is flowing from east to west, magnetic field below this wire means what? At this point. And if you draw a tangent, and tangent is towards what? South. So direction of magnetic field, that is what? Towards south. Next question, student. Question number 5. Listen carefully. Question number 5. What is the magnitude of magnetic force per unit length of a wire carrying a current of 8 ampere and making an angle of 30 degree with the direction of uniform magnetic field of 0.15 T, means Tesla? So this is the question number 5 of NCERT, and it is based on formula. So question number 5. Student, what is the magnitude of force per unit length of wire? So we have to find force per unit length. That is what we have to find. And carrying a current of I, that is what? 8 ampere, making an angle 30 degree with magnetic field which is given, that is what? 0.15 T. And student, you know that when a current carrying conductor placed into the uniform magnetic field, it experiences force, and magnitude of force, that is what? F equal to I L B sin theta, and we have to find force per unit length. So F divided, that is what? This one. I, that is what? 8. Magnetic field, that is what? Tesla 1.5, and sin, that is what? 30 degree. So 120, that is what? 1.20 into student sin 30 1/2. So that is what? 0.60, and this is F by L. So it's a unit, that is what? Newton per meter, and this is the what? Answer. So 0.6 Newton per meter. And next question, student. Question number 6. Listen carefully. A 3 centimeter wire carrying a current of 10 ampere is placed inside a solenoid. Listen carefully. A 3 centimeter wire carrying a current of 10 ampere is placed inside a solenoid perpendicular to its axis. Means wire is kept perpendicular to the axis of the solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is given by 0.27 Tesla. What is the magnetic force on the wire? So student, this wire which is placed inside the magnetic field of the solenoid, and this wire is kept perpendicular to the axis of what? Solenoid. So when current carrying conductor is placed into the uniform magnetic field, it experiences a what? It experiences a force, and angle between the magnetic field and current element vector, that is what? 90 degree. So question number 6, that is 3 centimeter wire. So L, that is what? 3 centimeter wire. It is written as 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. carries a current of what? 10 ampere. Current 10 ampere. The magnetic field inside the solenoid, that is what? D, that is what? 0.27 Tesla, and we have to find magnitude of force on the wire, that is what? F. And student, here theta, that is what? 90 degree. So again we use the same formula, F equal to ILB sin 90, and I, that is what? 10 ampere. Length, that is what? 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. And student, B, magnetic field, that is what? 0.27. Sin 90, that is what? 1. And this comes out to be that if this comes out to be 30 and into 27, and it is taken to be what? Minus 4. 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2, that is what? 27. And this is what? 10 3 and 23 says 81. 810 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton, that is what? 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton force, that is force experienced by a wire, which is F is equal to 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. And student, next question, that is what? 7 number question, that is based on NCERT. Next question, that is question number 7. Listen carefully. Question number 7. Two long and parallel straight wire A and B carrying currents of 8 ampere and 5 ampere in the same direction. It means what? I1 8 ampere and I2, that is what? 5 ampere. Current flowing in wire A, that is what? 8 ampere, and wire B, current flowing, that is what? 5 ampere in the same direction, are separated by a distance of 4 centimeter. Distance between them, that is what? 4 centimeter. And so it can be written as 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Estimate the force on 10 centimeter section of wire A. Estimate the force on 10 centimeter section of wire A. So that is what we have to experience. We have to find force acting on the wire A, and its length, that is what? That is 10 centimeter length of wire A, and 10 into, that is what? 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And student, you know the formula of two parallel infinite straight current carrying conductor. The force acting between them, that is F equal to mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 L by R. So that is what? Force on the wire A. Force on wire A, which is mu naught by what? 2 pi. This is the formula. I1 I2 into length. A means what? Length of wire A, and distance, that is what? R. And student, you know that mu naught by 2 pi, that is what? 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. I1, that is what? 8. I2, that is what? 5. Length of wire, that is what? 10 into 10 to the power minus 2, and distance between two wires, that is what? 4 into 10 to the power minus 2, and this 10 to the power cancel out, and 4 2 ja also cancel out, and 10 5 2 ja 10, and 10 to the power 2. It means it comes out to be that 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. So force acting on wire A on its length of 10 centimeter. So force F equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. This is the answer. And student, already I have explained to you that in derivation of this formula, if the current is flowing in both the wire in same direction, so nature of force, that is what? Attractive. And if the current is flowing in opposite direction, the nature of force is what? Repulsive. Next question, question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. And student, a closely bound solenoid. Question number 8. A closely bound solenoid 80 centimeter long has 5 layers of bindings 400 turns each. So that is length of the solenoid, that is what? 80 centimeter. And number of layers, that is what? 5. And 5 layers, number of layers, that is what? 5. And a closely bound solenoid 80 centimeter long has 5 layers of binding of 400 turns each. It means what? N, that is what? N, that is 400 turns on each layer. So N, that is what? 400 turns on each layer. There will be 5 layers. So total number of turns, and number of layers, that is what? 5, and 400 turns on each layer. So total number of turns, so total number of turns, that is, we know that is what? 5 into, that is 400, that is what? 2000. So there will be 2000 number of turns on 5 layers. So a closely bound solenoid 80 centimeter long has 5 layers of binding of 400 turns each. The diameter of the solenoid is 1.8 centimeter. So diameter, that is what? Given 1.8 centimeter. Calculate the magnitude of field B inside the solenoid. Estimate the magnitude of magnetic field B inside the solenoid near its center. So student, you know the formula of magnetic field inside near its center. Magnetic field inside the solenoid near its center, its formula B equal to mu naught Ni. N, that is what? Small. N, that is small, n and I. N, that is what? Number of turns per unit length. So formula for magnetic field inside solenoid B equal to mu naught Ni. But here N is given this one and L. And N, that is what? N, which is what? Number of turns per unit length of the solenoid. Where N is what? Number of turns per unit length of the solenoid. So this formula can be written as, N can be written as, that is what? N by L and I. And formula of mu, or value of mu naught, that is what? 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, value of mu naught. Number of turns, that is what? 2000, total number of turns. And current, that is what? Current flowing on it, current, if the current carried is 8 ampere, current carrying, that is what, I, that is what, 8 ampere. So 8 and student divided by length, that is what, 80 centimeter. So it can be written as 80 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? So 8 tanja, that is what, 10, and 10 to the power minus 1, and when this 10 to the power comes to here, that is what, it is written as student. So B can be written as 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7, 4 pi 10, and when this 10 to the power 1 minus moves to the numerator, here 2 into 10 to the power, that is what, 4, 2 into 10 to the power 4, 3 0 here and 1 0, that is what, by this, and it comes out to be that, so 4 2 ja 8 pi into 10 to the power minus 3, and student, and 8 into 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 3, and 8 4 ja 32, 3 8 4 ja 32, 3 8 1 ja 11 1 25, and this is 10 to the power minus 3, and it can be written as student, it can be written as 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. That is, this is the answer for question number 8, and 8 pi 10 to the power minus 3 or 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 t. Next question, student, question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. Listen. A square coil of side 10 centimeter consists of 20 turns and carries a current of 12 ampere. The coil is suspended vertically and the normal to the plane of the coil makes an angle of 30 degree with the direction of a uniform horizontal magnetic field of magnitude 0.80 t